I was able to organize my makeup and have everything in one drawer, which was the goal for me, actually, to organize everything and have everything in one drawer, because I really don't want to have product that I don't use. I want everything that is in here is something that I'm going to be using in 2026, and hopefully I'll finish everything, because when it comes to makeup, I don't really wear makeup when I go to work. This is my day-to-day face, no makeup. I only wear makeup when I go on special occasions. Maybe I'm going to church or I want to do something extra, but on my day-to-day, I really do not wear makeup, so therefore I don't want to have a bunch of makeup that I don't wear. So for me, this is perfect. This drawer, I have some of my setting spray and some products I have as a backup here, and I have few of my eyelashes here, the glue, something easy to fix. And here I also have like backup products. So these three drawers are just like backup stuff, and here I have also backup stuff: eyelashes, foundation, mascara, eyeliner, concealers, just backup stuff. Here I have the mini eyeshadows, those travel size eyeshadows. I do have the bigger palettes in the other drawer there, in my IKEA Alex drawer, if I'm not mistaken. I have all of those bigger palette there. Those I need to sort them out as well, but this is the one like I normally go for, so I have those in here. Here I have all my lipstick, because I don't have a lot of matte lipstick, so I do have my matte lipstick in this corner here, and the rest is just lip gloss, and I love it. These are all my highlighters. These highlighters, I'm gonna try to use them, and the ones that I don't use in 2026, I'm gonna throw them out again. But these are stuff that I really love and I really use them. The ones that I didn't use, I throw them away, and the ones here, these are stuff that I still use, so I keep this one here. Hopefully I get to use all of this next year. I'm not going to buy any new products when it comes to highlighter, because I do have a lot. And my favorite highlighter right now is the Fenty Beauty highlighter. I love this one. I love that beautiful sun-kissed glow that it gives. As you can see, I still have a lot, so I don't feel like I'm going to be buying any highlighter the whole of 2026, because I do have a lot. Here I have extra eyelashes, and here I have some of my bronzers, and yeah, bronzer as well. I'm so in love with these two bronzer. This is the Fenty Beauty, and this is the Morphe bronzer. This is so old. Well, I love it. I love that warm tone. As you guys can see, I'm really using it. I love that warm tone, and when it comes to travel, oh, this Patricia Bright palette, face palette is so old, but I love it, and I just love the shade. They are so beautiful. It's so easy. If you're traveling, you really don't need to take a lot. This is more than enough, and I really love this one. So I have all of those in here, bronzer, and here I think bronzer and blush, because I also have like a blush palette. The blush palette, I do have like one full-size blush palette in here. This one is highlighter. I do have this blush palette, which is also have highlighter, and I also have this one, which is blush and highlighter and contour, and you know, all of those. It's a full set. So I feel like next year I'm not going to be buying any blush or highlighter, because I do have a lot. So yeah, and this one as well, it's such a beautiful color. So this is all I have in here. Here is just like everyday makeup. My two setting powder I do have. I put extra NYX liquid illuminator, because I really love this one. I do have extra as a backup, so I put it down here. And I have my concealer. All of my concealers are in here. I also took out this Fit Me foundation. This was a backup. It's new. I have two shade. So you guys can see it's new. I have two shade. I have, if I'm not mistaken, I have 352 and 362, but I don't know which one is gonna fit me perfectly. I want to try the 362 just because I feel like it's a bit darker. It will match my skin tone, so I want to try it out, because I said on my last video I want to buy new foundation, but then I thought, you know what, I have this one. I don't want to keep this anymore. Let me just try this. So I have this one in here. It's something I'm gonna be trying very soon. I have my primer here. I only have 2 primers, so this one I'm going to be using this one till it's finished before I get a new one. I really don't want to be spending money buying stuff that I'm not using. The only thing I want to buy is a contour stick, because this is a foundation that I normally use as a contour. This one product I use because I only had one, so definitely I use it. So it's very important to just have 1 or 2 of a product and then use those. Liquid blushes, I don't have a lot. I just have this one, this 4 blushes I normally use. These are the 4 liquid blushes I have. I'm not going to buy any. I'm just going to use this one. Concealer, I do have a lot. Face powder, yes, I might end up buying a new face powder because this is the only one I have. So I have to go to the store one day where I have no makeup and test out some new face powder. So yeah, this is like all the stuff that I use. And when it comes to setting spray, these are the ones I'm using currently. And also I have this one from Elf Cosmetics. So these are the 3 setting spray that I'm using currently. These are the ones that I have opened. I do have other ones that I also picked up, but these are the ones I'm using currently. I don't want to be open everything at once. I want when I'm done with this one and then I open the other one. So yeah, I also brought my skincare products here because they were on top of the Alex drawer, the IKEA Alex drawer. So I always have to go there and bring before moisturizing my skin. At least now they're all here. Everything is just here and I can just look at myself in the mirror and moisturize my skin. It's perfect. So I have all of my skincare. I really love skincare. I've been really focusing on my skincare. As you guys can see, my skin is getting better. It's getting better and I'm extremely grateful for that. When it comes to shower nights, I love night shower routine. I love my night skin shower because night I really go in and I always wear SPF on my face. But my face, my neck, my arms, I always wear SPF and that has been really helping me. I'm really kind of happy to just have everything settled here. So yeah, this is it. I hope you all like this video and I will see you guys on the next video. I'm kind of happy. I'm really proud of myself that I was able to like throw those things away because I was like, no, I'm gonna wear them, I'm gonna use them again, I'm gonna use them, and I keep telling myself I'm gonna use them and I never really use them. So it was time for them to go. At least I want to go into the new year with a different start. When it comes to the container, I didn't throw it away because I have 2 amazing daughters, okay? So I keep this one, so I'm gonna give this one to the girls. I'm gonna find somewhere in the room where I can keep it and they can reuse it to do so many things. This thing was expensive. I bought this very, very expensive, so therefore I'm not gonna throw it away. I'm gonna try to reuse it, give it to my kids. They can look for something. Like my daughter likes to draw, so this is a very nice container where she can put all her drawing tools, her pens, her pencils, the paints, like really nice stuff where she can keep all of her things. So definitely I'm not going to throw it away. I'm going to put a smile on the girl's face and give them that one. Yeah, so far I say good. I'm really happy. And thank you guys so much, and I'll see you all on my next video. I think this is it's a beautiful start for 2026. It's a beautiful start for me and I'm extremely happy. Thank you all so much. Peace out. See you guys on my next video.